Hi. Are you going to talk to Grandma? Are you going to talk to Grandma? You going to talk to Grandma? Huh? Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. You going to smile? Are you going to smile? Smile, Grandma. Smile, Grandma. Smile, Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. That has to be comfy. Yeah, that's a nice, thick, comfy bed for you, huh? Nice, thick, comfy bed. Yeah. Nice, thick, comfy bed. Yeah, look at you. Such a good boy. Yes. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. Such a good boy. Can you smile? Smile. Hi, baby. Hi, baby boy. Hi. Hi. Hi, Pumpkin. You gonna smile at Grandma? Hi. Smile for Grandma. Give Grandma a smile. Smile. That's a pretty baby smile. Yes. Yes. You gonna talk to me? You gonna talk to Grandma? Hi, baby. Yes, I see you. I see you. Talk to Grandma. Talk to Grandma. Say hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Hi, Grandma. Hi there. Yeah. You gonna smile? Oh, goodness. Oh, goodness. Ooh. 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 Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Hi, Jonathan. Hi, baby boy. Can you smile? You're not going to smile for me, are you, Pumpkin? Smile for Grandma.